Hi guys, welcome back to Humber Koi.
So today we've got a few shout outs to make because we've got some little Christmas gifts come in the post. So first we've got Humber Koi, who's given us this brilliant mug, and he's also got us, oh bye Freddie, this Westcroft scrape card.
So cheers Phil. So on Monday the 18th, next Monday, Phil from Telford Koi and a load of other YouTubers are doing a giveaway event. Phil's been around a load of big companies and rustled a load of prizes off them to give away free to all the community. So Monday the 18th, head over to his channel and there'll be a big giveaway event on there. You've got Phil from Telford Koi, Eden Koi, Dave, Si from up north, Koi Pond, Seaber's Pond and Sam Hitchfield all on the panel, all having a general discussion and giving away loads of free stuff. Who don't like free stuff?
I love free stuff.
Everybody likes a bit of free stuff. So we'll put some links in the description and you'll be able to see what's going on there. What we're going to do now is we're going to do a quick water test and we're going to prep up the pond for our holiday. So we'll see when we're wrapped up and outside.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Tempest bubbling, just draining the Nexus, and we're just about to do a water test. It is really amazing on how much rainwater, even with covers on, gets in it because the pond was mega full. They all look really well. I don't know if any of them would be interested. Just throw them a little bit in and see what they think. Oh. Jonathan, I hate sorry. If any of them was going to text him, it was definitely going to be him. Wasn't it? Shag's having a nosy. Have young Leo doing his weekend chores and saving his money up. What are you buying, mate?
Tancho Sankey.
Tancho Sankey. Save the money up for the shows next year, mate, and you might get a nice one there. To get down the bottom, you can use the hosepipe jetter.
Okay.
That was nearly an accident, wasn't it? Let's get it top backed up then, mate. Do you want to close the valve?
Yeah. There we are.
Is that fully closed?
Yeah.
There we go, it is now. Right, let's get it on and then we'll do a water test. Look at the Benny. don't know if you can see it on that Momotaro Kahako. Oh, that zoom's ruining it. Down here. So, covers are back on. Pond water lowered quite a bit. It's amazing how much water you get even when you've got covers on. It's obviously all hitting it and running in from every direction, I understand that, but every time I've done it, it's been so full. And the Nexus is buttoned back up, so I'm going to go inside. We're going to do some water tests now with Leo. So I'm just going to do a quick parameter test. Leo's just having a go now. Happy? Nice pH of 7.5 and no ammonia, and we've got a KH of 4. So cheers for the mug, Phil. So that's the water test done. Happy with that. I think what we're going to do now is fly over to Grandpa's house, do a water test there with the fry, see how they're getting on, and see his pond, because he sent me some pictures and it will full of water.
So we've just arrived at Grandpa's and now we're looking at the fry from the grow on. Really cool.
It's Grandpa's Benigoi. Sankey. Look at my Benigoi here.
Benigoi?
Yeah, Gaz knows. We run out of Benigois, so I got this Benigoi and Gaz got a yellow Benigoi. I think we're going to give it a measure. Fantastic. So 12 degrees. I think I told Gaz 13 the other day, but 12 degrees. I've taken a still shot. All them little marks are done with a square centimetre apart, so that's not bad. It's really throwing some growing on, and I believe Sankey is bigger, but it's only my Benigoi that I'm actually interested in. My dad has just pumped this out. I shall input some pictures on the screen to show you how deep this was a couple of days ago. Silly. Let's check on his pond. Everything looking well. I mean, he still gets a bit of sun on his. Well guys, we're back at home now. We've had a really good day today. We've sorted our pond out, give it a good clean, ready for our holiday. And we've been to Grandpa's and look at the fry, aren't they? Come on.
Yeah, they're quite big now.
They're, I'd say they're not far off double in size from when we've got them.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching, guys. We really appreciate your support. If you haven't already, click the subscribe button and drop us a like. It really helps the channel.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Have a good time. Bye bye.
Bye.